Here it is. Book of Dragons. Between these two covers are the most incredible creatures you'd ever hope to see. Some you know, but there are some you've never seen before. And you won't last a day out there if you don't learn the facts in here.
Robert, you can't scare us. We've already trained dragons.
Ah, this book contains more than just training. It's the key to unlocking a new world of dragons. And I don't suppose you know who started it all, do you? Oh.
I thought it had something to do with Bork the Bold.
Oh.
Well spotted, lass. But before he was bold, he was known as Bork the Very, Very Unfortunate.
That's a odd nickname.
Aye, but apt. It seemed that anything Bork touched went wrong. Bork was my great-great-great-grandfather. And he started out as a shepherd, but his flock got very small. The fact is, Bork and dragons didn't seem to mix. So, he gave blacksmithing a try. And had a go at farming. But he settled on the life of a fisherman. And he used to say, if you see a dragon, kill on sight. You kids taught us that we could train a dragon. But it was Bork who had the idea to classify